Hello, in this video we are going to be painting the Alcazar Castle of Segovia, Spain, and I will go through all the main steps so you can see how I ended up with the final painting. I really hope you enjoy the process. I began by roughly drawing the castle with a small long filbert brush and burnt umber. At this stage, I'm only focused on arranging and organizing the composition for the painting. After the initial drawing, I considered the direction of the light source and began to establish all the shadows of the castle with burnt umber. The next stage is the blocking in stage. For the sky, I used a mixture of ultramarine blue and white, with a little bit of alizarin crimson and green earth. The purpose of the blocking in stage is to lay in the general colors, shapes, and values of the painting before having to worry about the details. Next, I start with the most distant mountains and landforms near the horizon. To help things recede into the distance, I tried to get the sky and distant landforms to match in color and tonality as much as I could. I then blocked in the general colors for the castle walls and conical roofs. And for the foreground foliage and trees, I used my most saturated colors to bring things forward. I then moved on to adding the windows of the castle. And finally, adding more details to the foreground foliage and trees. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.